The 2026 Ford Mustang Raptor is here, and it's everything you didn't know you needed in a muscle car, until now. This beast blends the raw power and heritage of the Mustang with the off-road prowess that the Raptor name is known for. It's aggressive, it's loud, and it's built to dominate both the pavement and the trail. But is it just hype, or does it actually deliver? Let's dive in and find out. Right off the bat, the exterior makes a bold statement. This isn't just a Mustang with lifted suspension, it's a full redesign from the ground up. The front end is wider, meaner, and sports that signature Raptor grille with bold Ford lettering slapped across the front. Massive fender flares wrap around all-terrain tires that look like they belong more on a Baja truck than a sports car. The ride height is significantly higher than any Mustang you've seen before, giving it real ground clearance and an off-road stance that turns heads instantly. LED headlights and taillights give it a futuristic edge, while the aggressive hood vents and skid plates remind you that this thing isn't just for show, it's built to perform. Slide inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that strikes a balance between rugged functionality and high-end design. The interior is a blend of premium materials and tech-heavy features. You've got leather-trimmed sport seats with contrast stitching, designed to keep you secure whether you're carving up canyons or hitting a muddy trail. There's a 13.2-inch touchscreen running Ford's latest S1C5 system, offering crisp graphics, intuitive menus, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable and gives you everything from performance stats to off-road data at a glance. There are even grab handles integrated into the dash and center console, hinting that this Mustang wants to get dirty. Ford also added extra sound deadening, but don't worry, you'll still hear that engine roar every time you stomp on the gas. And speaking of that roar, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Mustang Raptor doesn't mess around. It's powered by a high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, yes, the same one found in the F-150 Raptor, pushing out around 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission tuned specifically for both high-speed driving and low-speed crawling. Ford's 4WD system, complete with a locking rear differential and terrain management modes, gives it true off-road capability. It even has off-road dampers, beefed-up suspension, and underbody protection that makes it more than just a showpiece. 0 to 60 comes in just under 4.5 seconds, which is wild for something that looks like it could conquer a mountain trail. It's fast, it's capable, and it brings something totally new to the Mustang lineup. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Ford Mustang Raptor doesn't come cheap. Starting around $75,000, it's definitely positioned as a premium offering. Add on a few options, maybe the panoramic sunroof, upgraded Bang & Olufsen sound system, or off-road package, and you're easily pushing $85,000. But here's the thing, it's not just a Mustang with a lift kit. It's an entirely new experience that blends performance muscle, off-road utility, and head-turning design in a way that's never really been done before. So, is the 2026 Mustang Raptor worth it? If you want a muscle car that isn't afraid to get its tires dirty, one that looks like nothing else on or off the road, and one that delivers legit performance wherever you take it, then yeah, it might just be the wild pony you've been waiting for. This is Ford rewriting the rulebook, and honestly, we're here for it.